The oil life indicator on 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 trucks estimates oil degradation based on factors like mileage, engine hours, and driving conditions. Resetting it after an oil change informs the truck's computer of the new oil, preventing false warnings. To manually reset, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Use the Setup button in the message center until oil life appears. Then, press and hold the Reset button for 2 to 5 seconds until it shows 100%. For models with My Ford Touch, navigate via the touchscreen to the Oil Life Reset option. Ensure you've actually changed the oil before resetting to avoid engine damage. Keep the engine off or in accessory mode during the reset. This method works for Super Duty variants with 6.2-liter gasoline or 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel engines. If the manual reset fails, a common cause is a faulty oil filter or sensor. Check and replace the filter if needed. Scan the vehicle's computer for error codes like P0196 using an OBD2 scanner to diagnose sensor issues. Modern alternatives include smartphone apps like Ford Pass for monitoring or third-party apps with OBD2 scanners like Blue Driver for step-by-step guidance and reset confirmation. While some aftermarket hacks exist to force resets, they may void warranties. By 2030, app-based resets are expected to become standard, but for 2011 to 2016 models, DIY tools and manual methods remain relevant. Regular firmware updates from dealerships can sometimes auto-reset oil life after a legitimate oil change.